Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss with you greater number and smaller number. As we have already discussed the greater number and smaller number, but today we will revise the greater number and smaller number. I will give in your copy greater number and smaller number. Today we will discuss the things what is greater number and smaller. Revise the things. Okay. I tell you, as we go the forward, the number become big. So the bigger number, as we go forward, the number become big, and as we come from backward side, the number becomes small. 100 is bigger number, but 1 is smaller number. 100 is bigger number, but 1 is smaller number. When we count the numbers from backward side, the number becomes small. When we are going to forward side, the number is bigger. Always remember, when we are going in the forward way, forward counting way, the number become bigger. When we are coming from backward side, the number becomes smaller. 1 is smaller than 10. 5 is more than 1. So, in this way, if the number, here it is given 5, 50, 20. Which is the greater number or bigger number? What is the bigger number and greater number? Here it is, see, only 5 is there. Here it is 50 is there. And here it is 2020. This is the bigger one. 50. As we count from backwards, forward side, first come 5, then 20, then 50. 50 come last. So 50 is bigger here. 50 is bigger number here. Understand? Now, see, I will give you example. See, there is three numbers, 63, 42 and 33. See the number 63, 42 and 33. As we go forward, we count from 33, then comes 42, then comes 63. So, 63 is bigger number. We will circle this. Okay. Seven, 29 and 70. 7, 29 and 70. You have to see which is the bigger number here. Here it is 7, here is 29 and here it is 70. If we count from the forward side, first comes 7, then 29, then 70. So 7070 is bigger number. We will circle the 7070. Okay, it is the bigger number. Just opposite, which is the smaller number. Smaller number, the things get less, is called the smaller number. Now, as the point of this, suppose the number is 2, 16, 30. You will not count forward, you count from backward side. 30, it's come 30 first, 1, 6, 16, then 2. So 2 is the what? Smaller number. 2 is smaller number. It is true? 2 is smaller number. Okay. Now you see 80, 32 and 46. Between these three numbers, which is the smaller one? You count from backward side. 80 comes first, then 32, then 46. 80 comes first. So 30, 80, 46, then 32. Here it is 3. Here it is 3 though. So this is the smaller number. I am discussing smaller number and bigger number. It is helpful for you doing the greater than and less than. Okay. It is very helpful for do the greater than and less than. And you should know the smaller number and bigger number. Concept should be clear. Okay. Between 19, 36, 23. Which is the smaller one? 19, 36, 23. Which is the smaller one? Smaller one is 1919. 1919. One more way to see it is smaller or bigger. First you have to see the first number. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. Between 1, 3, 2, which is the small? Obviously 1. So 1919 is the smaller number. Here you see the smaller number. How you will see? First, okay, let's forget that backward side. We just see 2, 4, 24, 4, 8, 48 and 3, 6, 36. 2, 4, 3. You see the first number. 2, 4, 3. Between 2, 4, 3, which is the smaller? 2. So here this is 24. It will the smaller number. Okay, I will discuss this thing in online classes also. Okay? Okay. Now we will do some addition. Addition, you know, what comes in, what is the total quantity, total number is called the addition. What is the total of everything, it is called the addition. So, suppose here it is. This time I will not give you here pictures. This time I will not give here pictures. You will count. You will also count this. You will count and write the numbers here. You will count this. What is the number here? 1, 2, 3. Here you write 3. Here also you write 3. Total you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will write the number here. This time I will not draw here any pictures. I will not draw any pictures here. Okay? B. Okay. See, here it is. Count the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we will write the numbers 5 here. And total you count the numbers. Total you count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will write that number 10 here. Likewise, subtraction is also there. In subtraction, this time I will not cut. You will cut. cut the numbers. You will cut. I will not cut. Okay? See, addition means the total thing which we got. Total thing which we got. This and this plus this is the total, this one. Okay? Okay. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.